Hello everyone. Today we will go over the MLOps capabilities of Sparkflows. It can manage models, deploy models, govern models, and monitor models. Sparkflows can deploy and manage models trained in Sparkflows as well as the models built outside of Sparkflows. For deployment of models, the model needs to be added to the model repository. Let's first look at how to train a model in Sparkflows and add it to the model repository. First, we train a model using the workflow. This is a model to predict churn and it's training a random forest model. Once the model is trained, it shows up automatically in the Sparkflows model repository as we can see here. Now, let's see how can we import an external model which is not trained in Sparkflows. That this can be done by clicking on import and choosing the model which we want to import into Sparkflows. Yeah, so here we will choose a model which was trained outside of Sparkflows and import it. Once the model is imported, it shows up in the model repo as an external model. From here on, we can deploy these models to various target systems. It can be deployed to MLflow for development and testing, and for production deployment, it can be deployed to target systems like AWS SageMaker and other target systems in other cloud